Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jean's 25 Days of Baking Day 8. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for today's video. You will need pretzels, peppermint which is optional, dark chocolate, and white chocolate. We are also using a nonstick pan with parchment paper to put the pretzels on. We started off by melting our dark chocolate, and we used a chopstick to put one of our pretzels in. And make sure your pretzels are fully covered in chocolate. And then we placed it on our nonstick pan. We repeated that process with our dark chocolate and our white chocolate. Okay, so now we finished all of our dark chocolate pretzels. We're going to start with our white chocolate. We started by melting our white chocolate and dipping our other pretzels in it and just repeating the same process that we did with our dark chocolate pretzels. And then we're just going to place those on the pan and repeat that with all the rest of them. Also, we decided to add some peppermint and drizzle some white chocolate on the dark chocolate ones and drizzle some dark chocolate on the white chocolate ones and put peppermint all over them just to add some festivity and make them look better for the holidays. These are so easy and so festive. You guys definitely need to try these out. Next, we put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then they were nice and hard and they were done. And that basically concludes our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye!